Hey guys, just going to go over the plays of the days that happened here. So right here, let me go ahead and get rid of some stuff so we can see a larger screen real quick. And just look at Tenex. So Tenex was spiking up right here. A couple little good rules here is let it do this pullback right here. And then the other good thing is right here, you would have noticed right here, that was another major pullback. That's where I drew my original fibs right here, because it had a lot more pullback than normal. And then it basically went up here and made a long bull flag. And you're just waiting for volume to come in. I got in right here and then got in one more here, kind of like the spaces trade that we talk about. And then right here, bust right through there pretty good with very increased volume, and then it just broke down. So like I said, every time I break down, I draw this certain angle and I really just wait. I did take this trade. I'm going to chart that for you real quick as well. Right here, that one right there. I wasn't greedy. I don't think it's going to run all the way back up, but I know that trade because it broke off of the trend line more and then bounced right here at this key level right here, that's where it broke out. Then it started forming again right here. Very slow trade for me, but it did just keep bouncing this area. So right here, 1, 2, 3, you could call it a very slow triple bottom, but the stock still had a lot of notoriety from the pre, and it is matching the pre-market area. So that was very confluent to me. And all these little alerts help me stay in. I'm probably gonna now just slide those up right here, because if it now can break the 1637, maybe it's back on the eyes of most people. Another little trick I do, if you want to know a trick, this is a good one. You draw it on this and you'll start looking in the 50% area, but usually you will notice that it will come back to an area that you might have drawn before. So it broke under, came back. So this probably would have been support from earlier, because you'll see it, and then it's over it right now. It'll probably start going a little bit right while we're talking. The other one, NVIB, I just caught some of this, it just ran out of the gate here. This wasn't under my radar because of these double tops right here, but it did just do like a pattern like you would normally look at. It's basically just bouncing, and then eventually this is the cheapest stock that everybody wants to run up, and here it is. So right here, I got a lot of this trade, but once it starts doing this and you look, you're watching the volume go down the whole time, and it's buying volume, but then the buying starts increasing. So that's when you start seeing the red candles, and that's when it just dies off a little bit. I mean, if you're looking for smaller trades, I just don't like penny stocks because I can't really see them that well because of the trade right here, AGFY as well. Just the same thing, it broke down enough. If you see this trend line, it's just breaking down, and it starts doing that. This is the ascending wedge. I know this one right here. Basically just goes up, down, makes a decision, but it's still a big fight to get that move even done. And when I'm looking at 94 to that 10 cents, when I go to a higher price stock and get 10 cents, I'm just going to go to a higher price stock. And this was the winner of the day for me, because I'm going to tell you how I saw PLTR. So basically we have the same little thing. It's basically doing the exact same thing right here. It's coming up. Let me go ahead and cut this chart for you real quick, and then I'll end my day here. It was just like the stock yesterday, FDMT, and you basically just have a stock climbing, and then it's breaking down perfectly, and then you get one more climb here. Got that trade earlier this morning, and then I start getting these stair steps, because now it broke down. What you're going to see is this confluent area that it's holding, and right here it starts stair stepping up again. I'm going to just go a little lower. You'll see some up trends. You could have got in any of those breaks, and then here. But now I'm going to show you this, and now I'm going to show you another thing that I looked at was the 1 hour version of it. So I look at 1 hour and double check areas right here, and this is the area it had a problem breaking before right here. That's where you see that blue line right here. So that's where I put the line right here and double check that once it got open in the morning that it would have to break over that to go anymore. And perfectly, just like anything else, you'll see it go up break the pre-market areas, and go continue up for another leg. So that's just how I looked at it this morning. So otherwise, y'all have a great day. Hope that helps out.